Today, in celebration of our new exhibit coming up called George Washington Man and Myth, I'm going to be teaching you how to dress like a colonial general or a colonial lady using just items that you have around your house. You're going to need any little bit of fabric. It can be an old pillowcase, an old sheet, or just any scrap fabric that you have around the house. Some scissors, a ruler or measuring tape, and some ribbon. First, what you're going to do is you're going to take your scrap of fabric and then you're going to measure out a circle anywhere from 14 to 17 inches across, depending on how big you want your bonnet to be. So the style of bonnet that I'm making would have been worn by every single woman during the colonial period because they all had to keep their head covered. And so that would include women like Martha Washington, George Washington's wife. Once you have your circle of fabric cut out like this, you're going to trace another circle about an inch inward from the outer edge, like so. And so, once you have your second circle drawn, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to use them to cut tiny little slits like this, about an inch to an inch and a half wide, or about an inch to a half inch wide, and you're going to cut several of them along that second line, as many as you like. You probably want them to be about an inch apart. And so, once you have all of the slits cut out in your bonnet, you can flip it over so that the pencil marks are facing down. Take your ribbon, and it can be any type of ribbon you want, and then you just thread it through the slits, like so. There you go, you have your own colonial bonnet. Now you can dress it up with any extra ribbons or extra lace, or you can leave it just as it is. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and for other fun videos, be sure to check out the Louisiana Old State Capitol's website.